Hello, Zibaneva. Listen, me need little help.
Why do you have a wood chipper on your front lawn?
Oh, that? Me just doing little yard work. But listen, me think me lose contact lens.
Where'd you lose it?
Me think it at back of machine. But me no can reach.
Gosh, my arms just aren't long enough. I guess I won't be able to find...
Hey, me got long arms, me can find. Does you find it?